It was a busy morning in the courtroom, the air buzzing with the shuffle of paperwork and quiet murmurs as people waited for their turn. The judge was seated, calm and focused, working through a long list of cases with practiced precision. One young man stepped forward looking a bit hesitant, clearly unsure about how to begin. I actually lost my ticket, he began, his voice low. The judge looked up, not unkindly. Your summons? Yeah, the young man replied, rubbing the back of his neck. I lost it. I don't know where it is. We have it on file, the judge assured him. Let's take a look at it. The young man gave a sheepish smile. So what does it say? I got a ticket, right? Yes, you have a red light violation, the judge confirmed. This happened at Admiral and River. As the footage of the incident played, the judge leaned back, watching intently. Ah, that was you, huh? You were definitely in a hurry. The young man nodded. Yeah, I think I was rushing because I was delivering a pizza. Do you do anything else for a living besides delivering pizza? The judge asked, his curiosity piqued. Yeah, I box, the man replied, this time with a hint of pride. Really? Are you a professional or amateur boxer? I'm an amateur. Do you plan to turn professional? Yes, next year is my final year as an amateur. I've been working toward it for a while. How much do you weigh? 155, the man answered confidently. Then you're a middleweight. Well, super welterweight, actually. Welterweight is 147, the judge corrected thoughtfully. The young man laughed. I'm not training right now, Your Honor. I'll drop the weight soon. 160 is considered super middleweight. Right now, you're a middleweight. But if you want to compete seriously, you should aim for lightweight, 138. That way you'll face someone your size. He shook his head with a grin. I can't do that, Judge. I'm too tall. Who's your favorite fighter of all time? The judge asked. Sugar Ray Leonard, the young man said without hesitation. Well, you've chosen a great role model. Sugar Ray Leonard was a fantastic champion. Disciplined, fast, smart. At that moment, the judge turned to Inspector Quinn, who had been quietly listening. What do you think about this? Inspector Quinn nodded thoughtfully. Honestly, I feel bad for the guy. He's working hard, delivering food. Probably not earning much. That intersection? It's a tough one. The signage there is partially blocked by the bus stop sign. I've seen a lot of people make the same mistake. The judge considered this and then tapped his bench. I'm going to give you a break on this one. The young man's eyes lit up, a smile breaking across his face. Thank you so much. This is your morning break, the judge said with a wink. I know, the young man chuckled. I won't do it again. The judge leaned forward slightly. Did the pizza get cold? That brought a laugh from the young man. Probably. The courtroom shared a quiet chuckle as the young man turned and walked away, his head a little higher, his heart a bit lighter. In that small moment, amid the seriousness of court procedures and the weight of the law, compassion and humor found their place. He wasn't the only one to appear that morning. Just a short time later, another man named Jose came forward. He walked with a calm and collected manner, though there was a nervous energy in his step. The judge flipped through another file. You have 2 outstanding parking tickets, one on Wall Street and the other on Harold Street. Jose gave a small nod. Harold Street? Yeah, that one was about 5 years ago. How do you remember that? The judge asked. It happened around 1 o'clock in the morning, Jose replied. I didn't even realize I'd gotten a ticket back then. But that's not why I'm here today. The judge leaned in slightly. Did you ever get a letter or notice about it? No, never received anything in the mail. We've had mail delivery problems in our area. You might want to check with the post office, he said sincerely. All right, the judge said. What brings you here then? The ticket from Wallace Street. It happened at about 4:30 in the morning. I own a landscaping business. I have 2 trucks. That day, I came home exhausted after doing roofs, siding, patios, the usual work. One of my tenants had a party going on. I parked one of my trucks on the street, went inside to eat, and then laid down to rest. I forgot to move the truck. Jose paused, taking a breath. I did pay the ticket. It was $20. But I paid it late, and now there are extra charges. I brought a note showing I made the payment. I was hoping I could just pay the original amount. The judge reviewed the file. I see it here. You did pay. There's a penalty, but I'm waiving it. You're free to go. Jose nodded slowly but didn't leave. Can I say something before I go? Of course, the judge replied. Thank you. 20 years ago, I was not